Hi, and welcome to Editing with Canva. My name is Celia Strickland, and I'm the owner of Sweets from the Soul. All of our templates that you purchase from Sweets from the Soul are customizable and can be edited using the free version of Canva. So when you purchase a product such as this Facebook Templates for Cookie Artists, you will receive a link for something that looks like this. A template created by Sweets from the Soul LLC was shared with you. Start designing now. Down at the bottom, you will see where it says Use Template for New Design. So you'll click on Use Template for New Design, and it will take you to the free version of Canva. Now, my suggestion to you is if you want to keep these templates pristine to use at different times, come over here to File and come down and click Make a Copy. And that way we have our original already and it won't be changed today as we change our template. So here I'm going to be making, let's say for example, I'm going to be making my spring Facebook post. I'm just going to come up here and add spring. And that way I know when I go back and look in my projects under Canva, I know that all of these templates are ready to be used during the spring season for my Facebook post. And that way I'm all ready to go. And I just want to take a few minutes and show you how easy these are to edit. They come in beautiful colors and beautiful elements have been added to them, but sometimes those elements are not what you would like to have for your brand. So each one of our templates are completely customizable in the free version of Canva. So when you receive your file, you'll be able to open it up in Canva and begin editing. And what I suggest doing is begin with your photo. You will want to insert your own photo in your template here. And so, for example, with this one right here, and I can move that around to wherever I want it to be, I want to insert, let's insert a picture of our um, teacher appreciation cookies. Couldn't think for a minute. And all I did was I just pulled that over. Let me do that again just to show you how easy that is to do. I'm just going to click on the picture, pull it over, and hover over that picture frame there, and it pops into place. And I can take away this tag now. And there we have our picture. It's fully right where we need it to be. Now that I've done that, I can change the colors to match the colors in my picture. All I do is click on the colors, the element that I want to change, come up here to the color, and we have all of these different colors that we can use. But Canva also will allow you to choose some of the colors that are in the pictures here. They have created all of the colors that they have picked up within the picture. So I like that red. I think I'm going to leave that there. And we can change the colors or the background to make it our own. So I'm going to get rid of these little taglines because now I want to work on my text. I have here save 10%, order before date, and save 10% on your entire order. I think I want to move this over to here and move this box over. So I'm just clicking on it and sliding it to where I want it to be. And then I want to change that text color to white so it really pops against that red. I'm going to do the same thing here with this text color. There, now that looks good, but it still looks a little empty up here. So I'm going to take my text box that I have here and I'm going to Control or Command D for duplicate. You can also duplicate it here by clicking on the two pages there. And I'm going to take and move that box up here so that I can use it. And I'll get rid of that other one that I made. Alright, so I can now move that anywhere I want to just by clicking on it and dragging. So I think I'm going to change that. We'll highlight it. And I'm going to type in teacher appreciation pre-sale. All right, so you can see now it's not fitting within my area. So I'm going to take and make it just a little bit smaller by scanning over it to highlight it. And I'm simply going to come up here and hit the minus until I get it to where I want it to be. And I can even add that because I do want to let my viewers know what it is that I'm talking about. So I can say starts today. I'm going to take and just put that down there. There we go. Oh, I like that. That looks good. I may bring it down and just kind of make it right in the middle of that picture. And you can see the pink lines here. That's showing me that I have it centered right between the picture, and that's going to look good. And just that quickly, we have created a Facebook or an Instagram post. Very easy to do. Now, we have several different templates to use. Here's another one with an area to put your picture in. But let's move on down to these. This one actually has the entire background that you can use to add a background picture to. So say, for example, I wanted to add an Easter background in there. And there you go. It just pops right in. And now I can just change my tagline here to say Easter, and I'm done. And just enter the date, the time, the location of my sale, and we're that very quickly we have finished up another one. Now I do already have several of them already made for you. Here's a Father's Day pop-up sale, and it has the Cookie Monster eyes on it, but you can click on that and delete that, and you'll have your window to add your cookies for Father's Day in there. So either way that you want to use it is fine. Let's go through and look at the rest of them. We have a Mother's Day pre-sale. And again, you can change these to be used for anything that you want it to be used for. I've just put some examples in there with some good backgrounds that you can use. Here's another one for Easter. I have an element here. This is a Canva element. Um, Canva has a lot of elements. If we just go over here to our toolbar, we can pick out any element that we want to use. And they have several different cookie elements that are free that you can use with this with the free version of Canva. I have one for holiday pop-up sales. Now these backgrounds are free for you to use. I have purchased them and you are allowed to use them in your business. Let's look at this one. This one actually has a picture frame here and a picture frame here. So all you have to do is add your pictures into those slots, and you can use that and change the text to match whatever it is that you're wanting to sell through your Instagram post. Here's one. My computer is lagging a little bit today, but here's one with love. Our customers are loving our new designs and latest sets. Order yours today. So we have our hook that's going to hook and stop the scroll. You have the body of your text, and then you have the call to action at the end. Everything you need for marketing your cookies. And again, you just put your picture of your cookies in here, and you're ready to go. Here's one for Teacher Appreciation Day. We have a school background. All of these elements can be changed to fit whatever it is that you're selling for the day. This is where your picture would go of your cookies. We have one for DIY cookie kits, and with a sprinkle background. Again, you can change it to whatever you want it to say. Here's one for graduation. Again, you can change these elements to include with anything that you want to say. Say, for example, you want that to be a back to school instead. You just simply come over here, choose an element, and drag it over and place it into your picture, and you're ready to go. Here's one for our new design. New design that you may have, you want to show off. Here's one for your DIY party kits. Again, you can change these to fit any way that you want them to fit. It is totally up to you. Everything in here is customizable. We have just some blank ones. We have some that have two places for your pictures and a place to insert your logo. You would simply delete that, upload your logo over here, and drag it over and drop it into that spot. Here's the one that you can use to encourage others to follow you. And you can even post this and ask people to share this post, and then people would come over and follow you on Facebook or Instagram. Buy one, get one free if you ever do that. Here's one, take a break with, and then the name of your business. And so it says, let us bake for your next event. We will design a beautiful set of sweet treats to complement your theme and color palette. Message us today for a free consultation. So if you are one that does a lot of designing and customized cookies, this would be a great one for you to use. Now, once we have completed our Facebook posts and we have it exactly the way that we want it to be posted, we can do several things. I just want to post this one page. This is page 2. It has the page number right here. I can even add a title to it and have it say Teacher Appreciation Sale. And then in order to share it, I come right up here to the right hand corner. I click on Share, and it gives me the option to download it. I can download it to my computer as a PNG file, and I would suggest always doing it as a PNG file because that way it makes it easier to upload it to Facebook. And I could download it into a file on my computer for Facebook posts. I do suggest that you create folders for your different Facebook and Instagram posts so that you'll always have them ready and can just go back and click on those instead of having to redo them every time. Another option that we could do is to post directly into Facebook. If you'll scroll down, you will see that there are all sorts of options. You can save it to Google Drive, your Microsoft OneDrive, and here we have all the social media. I'm going to post this one to my Facebook page. Now, if you're not connected, it will give you the box here to connect to an account, but I'm already connected to my Sweets from the Soul account, so I'm going to click there. I do not want to post all 10 pages. It will allow you to post up to 10 pages, so I just want to do page 2. That is all I want to do. I'm going to unclick. I'm sorry, I just want to do that one. Make sure that all the rest of them are not clicked. And there we go. And I just have page 2 clicked, and I'm done. So now it even gives me an option to write something. So I could say, order today for your teacher appreciation gift. Cookies make a gift that will not be returned. DM me to order today. Okay, something like that. I do notice I've got some more clicked up here. It does have 9 and 10 clicked for some reason, so let's unclick those or uncheck those. All right, now we are ready, and it says that we're ready, and we have our current page, and then all we do is hit publish. It's preparing your design. Takes just a few minutes. And there it is. And so then you can also make a copy of it to go ahead and share on another page. But let's check out the post on my Facebook page. Takes us over to Facebook, and there's our post ready to go. So I hope that helps you. These template kits are completely customizable to fit your brand and needs. We have over 20 designs that you can use to create even more designs than that. You can purchase yours today at sweetsfromthesoul.com or on our Etsy store at Sweets from the Soul. Thank you so much and have a great day.